our tree's looking a little bit boring at the moment. It looks very grey. And if I hit F12 to render the scene, you'll see it actually is just different shades of grey, going all the way from kind of a very whitish to a black grey. Well, I want to add some colour to this tree. A tree would probably be green and brown or some combination of the two. So what I'm going to look at in this video is adding a material, or a colour you might call it, to our tree. So let's hit escape and let's go and add some colour to this tree. I'm going to start off with the trunk. If I right click on the trunk area down here, it's now selected. And over here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Materials tab. And if you've got a small screen like mine, you may have to just grab the edge, make it slightly bigger, and we're looking for this circle, this kind of brown circle. If I click on that, it says Material if I hover, and I have the option to now create a new material. So by clicking New, I get a material here, which is currently white. What I can do down here on the diffuse, which for us will be, I suppose, the main colour, the boldest colour that we're going to have, is I'm going to click on the white colour and I can actually select the colour that I want. I'm going to go to the brown area, which is towards this here, and you can see the preview in the background. It's a bit too gold, so then maybe what I'll do is I'll decrease the brightness of it, and it turns into a nice brown. And just to show you that this has worked, if I hit F12 now, you'll see that I have a brown trunk to my tree. Going back to my view, hitting escape, I'm going to change the colours of the foliage. So I'm going to right click on this piece of foliage here, and I'm going to go to new. I'm going to add a green material. So again, clicking on this area, let's go to a green. That's a nice bold green, like that. I'm then going to click on this one here, and I'm going to add a slightly different green. So click on there, go to a green here, I'm going to make that a much darker green. And then finally, clicking on this last cube, I could go to new, but instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of the previous colours. So you only have to select a colour once and you can reuse it. I'm going to reuse the lighter green there. So by clicking that, I have a tree. If I hit F12, it's a nice, very simple tree that you may probably see in a computer game or something like that.